Hello beautiful people, welcome back. So in today's video I'm sharing with you guys how I installed the DIY kinky course I made with braiding hair extensions, and I hope you do enjoy it. So these are the curls, and I already made my cornrows. Guys, please don't judge me, they are not perfect because I'm not yet good at making perfect parts, but well, we're still going to use it like that, and at least we are going to cover all that up. So please just carry on watching, and to install that I'll be using my latch hook, which I have here. I installed this thing in less than 30 minutes. It was not difficult at all. come to the end of today's video, and this is the final look. We invented our own kinky curls from braiding hair extensions, and well, at least you can save some coins and create your own curls all by yourself. So guys, I hope you liked this video. This is what this hair looks like now, and as you can tell, it is not that full, and I don't really like having bulky hair on my head, so that was why I made just 74 strands. But it depends on how full or how scanty you want the hair to be. You can make more strands if you want the hair to be fuller. So that is all about today's video, and I hope you love it. If you love the video, please like, and please, even if you don't like the video, just like. It takes just 1 second for you to click the like button, so please like the video and leave a comment in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Guys, don't mind me, I was seriously feeling my hair. Well, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you all so much. Bye.